Hi guys, welcome back again my YouTube channel. How are you viewers? Hope people you will be fine. You will see the stylish and most beautiful best videos and stylish home decoration designs ideas my channels and kitchen decoration designs ideas. You will see the stylish and unique. So viewers, you will see the stylish and most beautiful modern decoration designs ideas from my channel. Please guys subscribe my channel and press the bell with that notifications of all my videos. You will see the stylish and unique new all more than hundreds of new designs ideas and stylish home decoration designs, modern latest unique new all collections and 2020 unique new best styles and best designs ideas on my channel. How much beautiful latest and unique new creative and attractive alternative. So guys, you will see the stylish and most beautiful unique new all best decoration designs ideas on my channel. How much beautiful latest and unique new creative and outstanding unique. So guys, you will we will see the stylish and outstanding unique new best styles, best designs ideas and 2020 latest and unique new all best videos, upcoming and unique new best decoration designs, and you will see the stylish, marvelous, outstanding unique new best collections, and you will see the stylish latest and unique. From the styles and all best videos and upcoming latest unique new styles and best home decoration designs ideas. So guys, this style because acting for kitchen designs ideas, ceiling designs ideas, lighting ceiling designs ideas, wall decoration designs, talent ideas, art designs ideas on my channel. We will do something all best videos and decoration designs and home decoration designs ideas on my channel, all kitchens and so guys, see the next video and for watching my all videos and you will see the stylish and most beautiful best style and best home decoration design, modern and attractive unique new best kitchens and unique new stylish best videos and best ideas on my channel. So till the next video guys and for watching my all videos and you will never miss any video any questions and you will see the stylish and best home decoration designs.